बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Sajda Raza. I am a student of class 3. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we learn maths basics. In maths basics, we'll see LCM of fraction, part 2, subtraction of fractions. In previous video, we see addition of fractions. And the steps are same. LCM of denominator, division of denominator, multiplication of denominator, and solve. Let's take an example. Now, in rough work, we will do it is not necessary to make only 3 lines. I don't know, 4 lines will become 3 lines. It depends on the question. Now, first of all, what is denominator? 3 and 2. 3, comma and 2. First of all, 2 will become here. That's why 2 is smallest than 3. First of all, we take a small number. Done. Now 2 ones are 2. 3 is not coming in 2 table, means 3 will become as it is down. Now again 3. 3 ones are 3, comma 1. Now 2 3s are here. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Line again, 6 minus. Now, what is denominator? 3. Okay, 6 and 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 2 multiplied by, what is numerator? 2 is numerator. 2 comes here. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now 4 will become here. Again, make a line and 6. Again 2. It is cutting with 2. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Means 3 again multiply by with numerator 3 is equal to 9. Again 9 will be come here. First of all, you want to add and subtract, we will do rough work. Look, there is plus sign hidden. Plus 4 and minus 9. Plus 4 and minus 9. Different sign means minus. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Now 5, and which is biggest number? 9 is biggest, means 9 minus 5 minus 5 minus comes here and 6 comes here. Now see, it is cutting or not? Now see, it is cutting or not? Not. Means it is our answer. You understood now? Okay. In next video, we will see multiplication of fraction. Okay. No subscribe, no like, only share.